hi. How's it going? We're here at Island H2O. It is opening weekend for this season. Gotta wind up Char Char.
Wine.
But we're in. We technically had these for the end of last year too, but we didn't film anything. I don't know how much this is gonna get filmed or if this will actually turn into a video or not. We'll find out. So we're in. We're gonna go do the wave pool. I'm setting up base camp. I feel like they have a little bit less than normal number of chairs out right now. I feel like there's normally a lot more. Like I said, it is opening weekend, so that will hopefully change. A couple things to note, they are under new management, so we'll see how this year goes. So that's going to be a little different than it has been in years past. Sounds like they are still through Margaritaville because they have these Margaritaville staff members trying to sell you stuff when you come in. They are building new condos. Was able to eavesdrop in over here. There are still free tickets associated with the owning of stuff through Margaritaville. So we'll see. Should be fun. I don't have anything that is waterproof, so and we forgot the phone cover, so this will probably be kind of boring, but we'll see. Just an overview of the park, and we'll go from there. Okay, bye. Where are we?
H2O Water Park. Bye.
Okay, go get mommy's watch. Come back. You love the wave pool?
Yes.
Is it your favorite?
Yes.
Okay, bye. So this is an awesome wave pool. They do have the big screen there. We've seen some movie nights here over football time. They'll put it up on the screen and have like a football weekend type of thing going on. Really fun, really cool. It's not a huge wave pool, but it does its job for the size of the park. Okay, Char, we just did the racing slides. How was it?
Good.
Who won?
Dad.
I thought Sissy won because she got a head start because I gave you a speed boost. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? But that was fun. Maybe we'll do it again and we'll try and get mommy to record us.
I want to do the Ribby Park.
The what?
The Ribby.
The lazy river?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Hey, we're gonna go do the lazy river. So, lazy river's over here. It looks like they did get new stuff for them. So they're now colorful tubes. And I'm gonna go run after Kid before she drowns. Okay, bye.
Hello, I'm going to be doing the toilet.
And what did we do right before the toilet?
We did the family ride.
And was that awesome?
Yes.
Yes.
We sang Takedown. Well, I was the only one who sang it.
I mean, you did great though. Okay, I'm gonna go watch her get flushed down a toilet.
So look, it doesn't have like a person that looks like they're on the toilet. It's just a regular one. So I pretend that you're on one of those, and there is a person, but like imagine if there's not. That's kind of what it looks like. Yeah.
That it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no.
Well, there she goes. They grew up so fast. Next thing we're gonna see her, hopefully, is going down the blue slide that we can't really see her go down at all. But she's gonna have fun. She's done this before. So yeah, this should be fun. It's 10:30, so I don't know how long it's gonna take her to get up. Looks like she's just getting to the stairs now, maybe? I don't know. Yep. But there are the 3 slides. It isn't as busy as I've seen it. It's not exactly summertime. It was only low 80s when we got in. But we're still having a good day. Family slide was great. Lazy river was, well, it was a river with the kids. It wasn't exactly lazy. But we're having good time so far. Okay, bye. Heard a scream. Might have been her. That might be her. I think that's her. Was I looking at the wrong one? Please tell me I wasn't looking at the wrong one. Okay, no, I wasn't. That wasn't her. There she is. So how was it? I'll take that as good. I mean, it was a thumbs up. Now there's no line, so maybe she'll just go again. And there she goes. Wonders what she's gonna do again. Probably the same one. The time is 1:35 p.m. My child is walking upstairs to put herself in a tube to get flushed down a toilet. She has made it to the stairs, everyone. I'm having a blast. She's going up the stairs. I don't think there's anyone else in her line. I could be completely wrong. Normally am about most things, but I appreciate you coming to me for some type of information. Okay. She stopped at the landing. I guess there's at least a couple of people in front of her this time. We'll see. Okay. I'm hearing screams again. I don't know if it's her. It is 1:39. I mean, obviously there's screams. It's a water park, but it sounded childlike. But again, that still doesn't help. It's a water park. I think it's the people on the water coaster. Oh no, she came down backwards. You came down backwards. What do you got flood? Oh, okay. There she goes again on her own. Gonna go down the slide, blue slide. Now it's different. Okay, I'm gonna be waiting here again. It's 1:38, so that last one took about 3 minutes. She's gonna now go down this light blue one, so hopefully not about the same time frame. Let's see. Okay, bye. Yep. I missed the fun part, but she still had fun. It is 1:45. It has taken about 10 minutes for her to do slides 3 times. She said opening weekend. Last times we came during opening weekend, I felt like it was a lot busier. This one, not so bad. She's going up the stairs. I don't think there's anyone else in her line. I could be completely wrong. Normally am about most things, but I appreciate you coming to me for some type of information. Okay. She stopped at the landing. I guess there's at least a couple of people in front of her this time. We'll see. It's both?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's both?
You can do single and
double. Yep.
But Daddy, I want you to do it.
Okay, let's go find Mommy and Sissy.
Okay, but no, but can you do it?
We'll see.
When I please?
Maybe.
I'll put it back.
Okay.
We're going on a mission to find
Yes, we're going on a mission. But what she's referring to is, with it being opening weekend, they are like putting in the dummy to indicate that, you know, someone's drowning, basically for training for the lifeguards. So we saw one rescued. Kind of cool, scary, and cool all at the same time. Okay, bye. Okay, heading into the Level Up and Pelicans Paradise area. The Level Up is kind of the pool that has basketball in it and the rope obstacle course, and the Pelicans Paradise is a bunch of little body slides. Super fun, super cool, super awesome. Shar, what have you been doing? Which one's your favorite?
When she whistled and jumped in, that was Timmy.
When she was talking about the sign that you saw.
Oh, by the bathroom by the side. Are you guys gonna go? He's done all the slides, so you can do the slides with her.
By the way,
Let me go. And
there's Timmy. We found him. Lifeguards in training. Okay, what did we get, kiddo?
I got ice.
An icy Dippin' Dots?
Yeah.
Charlotte is currently taking bathroom break, but got the Cookie Monster. New this year, they do have a Dr. Pepper. Should be interesting. Also, with the Platinum Pass, you do get a free cup. First fill was free, and the cup itself was free. So we're taking a little break. Gonna do this, then maybe head over that way for the slides. We shall see. It is supposed to rain here in a little bit, actually, as you can kind of see clouds starting to come in. Luckily, we're not too far away from this.
Pretty good.
If we do need to stop and come back, we can stop and come back, or just stop. But it's been a blast so far today. Harper's had fun on slides. Charlotte's done slides. Didn't see any of those because we kind of just went and got our snack as soon as she said something. So yeah. Okay, bye. Harper, let's try it out.
Pretty good.
Pretty good? What does it taste like?
So it tastes cherry and like a blueberry.
Cherry and blueberry?
Uh-huh.
That's good. Is it refreshing?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna try mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. There's 23 flavors, supposedly. Please don't spell it.
I'll try not to. No promises.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, it tastes a little weird.
Tastes a little weird. Well, that's Dr. Pepper. You like it? What flavors do you get?
Like, I got like a mix of like chocolate and strawberry.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And then like I got a taste of vanilla.
And a taste of vanilla? Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna
I'll take a little right here before she comes over. Hurry up. Oh,
tastes good.
tastes good. I will say from last year, the Cookie Monster one is actually very good. It's not just for kids.
It's for adults too.
And the Dr. Pepper. I'm getting kind of a cherry undertone. I do get the vanilla, the white vanilla pieces. Yeah, there is chocolate in there too. I wouldn't be surprised if they just took 23 actual Dippin' Dots flavors and mixed it into one cup here. It's actually pretty good. I like it. We got a slightly slower start than we were hoping for, but we still had fun. It's gonna rain. It's really starting to rain, so we're running out of here. Come on, Jer. We got our hoodie up. Yeah. Would be horrible to get wet right about now. This thing dry all day. Anyways, first visit to H2O this year. It's a good little water park. You're right by Disney, so it might be worth checking this out if you're on a budget. It's not as obviously highly themed, but it's still fun. Catch y'all later. Hey, and as always, folks, remember to stay kind. Please keep watching, and don't forget to be forced to exit through the gift shop. Bubble.